If Logitech G Hub is acting weird, not detecting your device, or your profiles are completely messed up, resetting G Hub settings usually fix it. First, close Logitech G Hub completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. On Windows, open Task Manager and end any Logitech or LG Hub processes. On Mac, quit it from the menu bar. Now, here's the important part. On Windows, press Windows plus R and type App Data. Press on OK. First, let's go to Roaming. Inside of Roaming, find LG Hub. Press on it and then press on Delete. Now, go back to App Data, open Local, and inside of Local, find the exact same folder, LG Hub, and then press on Delete. These two folders will restart all the settings. On Mac, open Finder, click Go, and then go to Folder. Then go to Library Application Support and delete the LG Hub folder. And also go to Library and Preferences and remove any Logitech or LG Hub preferences files. Once that's done, restart your computer. After rebooting, open Logitech G Hub again. It will recreate fresh default settings like a clean install. Important warning, this resets all profiles, macros, DPI settings, and custom lighting. So back them up first if you need them. After reset, redetect your device, update firmware if prompted, and you should be good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.